Hello everyone, Mr. Lang here. We're going to work in Word Section 1 on our Project Exam 1. So let's go ahead and begin. I've already got mine loaded up here. Give me a second just to get full screened into it. And I'm going to adjust a couple things before we get going. I'm going to jump this up to about 170% for me. And I'll move my directions over here. And as always, I love to click the little light bulb there. Move the insertion point immediately left of the word jousting located in the second sentence below the heading preliminary plan. So here's our heading preliminary plan. And if we find the word jousting right here, I'm going to go ahead and click in there. And my insertion point is literally blinking right to the left of jousting. So I will type full dash contact spacebar. As it mentioned, we got to press the spacebar at the end. So I'll close that. And after I close it, I always have to click in here to reactivate my document, and I'll hit save. Let's go to direction 205. And I'll go ahead and click here. Hold down your control key so you don't see me, and I'll do that in a second. Click the last sentence in the second paragraph below the heading preliminary plans, then release the control key. Press the delete key. So here's my preliminary plan. Again, if you are working with an Apple product, there is that document that I have in our class under important documents, kind of located at the bottom of our home page, that tells you what keys to press for you. Again, I apologize, I'm not using a Mac. Here is the sentence that we need to highlight. So again, I'm going to click in here just to highlight the document, holding my control key down. You may not see me, but I promise you I am. And I'm going to click in there. It highlights the entire sentence. And then I'm going to press my delete key on my keyboard. All right. With that done, I'm going to go ahead and close my answer key. And I'm going to click on my save button there a couple times, once to activate the document, once to save. And we are on direction 3 of 5. Let's go ahead and load up that. Click to the left of the title. So up here is my title, Fullerton. I'll click to the left of that. Now we're going to find the replace button. So I got to move that over here because my replace button is in the editing group. So I'll go ahead and click that, find and replace. And we need to type the word fair. So anywhere in this document, it finds the word fair, pressing my tab key to go down, or you could click in replace with as well. I press the tab key. Festival. So it's going to go ahead and find anything that is the word fair, replace it with festival. And I'm going to go ahead and choose replace all. And we've got 10 replacements. Great. And choose OK. I'll close my answer key. And I'll close this as well. And I'll hit save. And we're moving on. 4 of 5. In the editor group. Well, let me go ahead and hit my save key. And I'm going to be working the editor group already, so I know that. So I'm going to move that over there. In the editor group, we're going to go ahead and click this. So again, click left of the title, which we did. And we'll open up our editor. And let me move this as well. Get that out of the way. All this stuff we got to move, right? So now that we're there, direction number 2 says click the editor button in the editor group on the home tab. We did that. Click the editor score, which is right here. All right, so we're going to click that. And it's going to give us some suggestions. All right, first one with Magician. It is going to give us that suggestion. And we're going to go ahead and click in, click Magicians, plural, in the suggestion box. So make sure you're doing that one there. And then you're going to click in the suggested licks box. All right, so we're going to choose 4 here for that. Click 4 for that. We're going to click addition with the comma there. We're going to click medieval here. And we're going to click OK there. All right, and we're done with that. We'll click OK. Wonderful. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'll close my editor as well. 100% score. Great. And yours may be at a different score. That's fine. All right, but here we go. And last but not least, let's go to direction number 5. We'll hit that answer key. Right-click in the word highlights. Point to synonyms on the shortcut menu and click features at the side menu. Now, this is where it's a little bit different here. So first of all, we're going to find the word highlights, which is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click to activate it. You can see my insertion point just blinking right in the middle of highlights. I'm right clicking on my mouse. I promise you I am. And I'm going to go down to synonyms. All right. And then now that we are in synonyms, we're going to want to go down to our thesaurus. All right. So we're going to click that. It doesn't give us that in the directions. I'm not 100% sure, but click features at the side menu. So I'm going to go ahead and choose features here, but I'm going to choose the down arrow and choose insert. And now it has inserted into the document. I'm going to go ahead and choose close there, close my answer key, go ahead and reactivate the document, click save. It is saved. And now here it comes. Let's check that answer, see how we did. All right, great job, everybody. Appreciate you very much for hanging out.